An Amazon FBA business is one of the best ways to make a scalable product brand. If you are keen, however, you will notice a disturbing trend. Many people have invested their resources in a product and even had the first batch created. After the items get to Amazon warehouses, they are clueless on how to sell them. If you already have an Amazon FBA business or are in the process of creating one, marketing should be somewhere at the top of your list. This video will help you with that. It is less of a how-to guide and more of proven tricks and tips. Increasing your listings views from Amazon. Appear in Amazon searches. For your Amazon listing to gather more views, it has to be at the top of search results when a user searches the product. You can either pay for this or make sure the Amazon algorithm favors your listing for being the most relevant search result. Pay-per-click advertising. Amazon PPC is simple and easy to understand. It is an auction system where people bid for keywords. Amazon will then choose a winner depending on the suitability of the product and bid amount. How this system works remains a secret. Search optimization. When the Amazon algorithm is choosing a top result, here are some of the things that count. Good reviews. Listing relevant to the search term. High bestseller rank. Good conversion rate. Make sure the keywords feature in the following, in order of decreasing importance. Name. Key features. Description. Search terms section. Increasing listings views outside Amazon. Every Amazon FBA seller is striving to get views from Amazon, and that can be a challenge. You can choose to move away and gather views from an outside site. Influencer marketing. If you want amazing results, see if there are websites recommending your competitors and request them to consider your product. Find high-ranking review websites. Giveaways and deals. Deals always attract buyers. If you offer your products at a low price, you will easily make more sales. You may not make a lot, if any profit, but you can go up the bestseller rankings and probably get more good reviews. Pay-per-click advertising. Many online platforms, not just Amazon, work with PPC advertising. They include advertising on Instagram, Outbrain, Google AdWords, Reddit ads, Facebook ads. If you are not careful, you may end up losing a lot of money with PPC advertising. Start small, monitoring what you are spending and the sales you are getting. Only scale up when you get a positive ROI. Improve your listings conversions. People viewing your listing is not enough. They should go ahead and buy the product. That is what is referred to as conversion. When you improve your conversions, you don't need more views to make more money. So, make sure you have a high-quality listing. Get good reviews. For your marketing strategies to be fruitful, avoid following the crowd and do what works for you. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast.